I hope you enjoy it.
Well, I took a stroll on the old long walk of the day. Met a little girl and we stopped to talk of a fine soft day. And I asked you, babe, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And then you right there, I can dig it out through. I saw her come with a golfy girl. It's a very nice jacket.
I wanted it a bet.
We were halfway there when we came down over D-I-E-I-E. Yes, we up to a flat downtown on a fine soft D-I-E. And I asked you, babe, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. Hey, look for this.
Why does he keep wanting me to remember all these things that make it harder? It's